Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new unboxing. Let's see what it is. Just 5,400 we have the most affordable budget smartphone in the market, that is Redmi 7. Comes with 2GB RAM and 32GB ROM. Let's quickly unbox and see what all we have got. As you can see, first in the box you get some paperwork. And here you can see a SIM ejector tool. Let's keep aside. And some paperwork. And you also get a nice transparent case for your smartphone. And then the phone itself, let's take it out. Here you can see all the top specs listed on the screen. We got the Lunar Red version of Redmi 7. And next in the box we get a basic charger, that is 5V 2A. And next a micro USB cable. In just 5,400 you get the top-notch Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 and a huge display of 6.26 HD plus full screen and dual rear camera and huge 4000 mAh battery. Yet it is still the most desired smartphone. Thanks for watching. Share, subscribe and like.